Looking for the best Spikeball sets? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 Spikeball sets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Spikeball Rookie Kit. Designed for novices, as the net and ball are larger in size than standard sets. Ball is textured for easy control and game rules are tailored to new players. Made by a top brand in the game. Carrying bag included. Anyone who is a Spikeball rookie and wants to gain game skills will appreciate that this set is made for those who are new to the sport. Not made for experienced players. Some durability concerns. Ball isn't very bouncy. At number 2. GoSports Slammo Game Set. Suitable for both beginners and experienced players, as this set comes with a training ball to get started and 2 competition balls. Great for casual play. Affordable and comes with a carrying bag. If you are looking for a budget-friendly Spikeball set for occasional play in the yard, at the beach, or in the park, this is the one to buy. Components aren't as durable as some pricier options. Not ideal for competitive games. At number 1. Spikeball Game Set. Kit includes a carrying bag, netting, ball, and stand. Simple to put together. Steady on different terrains. Easy to pack and transport. Clear instructions. This high-quality pick from the original creators of the game offers everything you need to play Spikeball anywhere you want. Some said the net was looser than they'd like. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.